I'm going to do some trades on Pocket Options AI trading feature to see its profitability. So let's dive in with the few trades right here. So all you have to do with the AI trading feature right here is just press AI trading, and the AI will determine if a certain asset will go up or down within a certain time frame. So here, I think this one will actually lose. So the purpose of this video is really to see what the profitability rate is, right? No human is 100% profitable, but maybe AI is a little bit more profitable than a human is. Only time can tell. So here I'm going to do an AI trade. It says it'll go down within the next 15 seconds. Let's see if this is true. All right. So it's been going down so far. And voila. So far the profitability rate is about 50%. Let's hope it's higher than that. Let's go to 80/C80 right now. Let's see if we can do an AI trade here. So it'll go down within the next 15 or so seconds. So here, I think this is pretty accurate from what I see. Seems to be trending downwards slightly. Has a sell on the super trend indicator right here, and sure enough, it does profit. So now we're in the green. So now it's a 2/3 win rate right here. So that's a good sign, right? So right here, I'm just going to be primarily trading currencies with the AI trading feature. So we're going to see how profitable currencies are. So here, so resistance over here, see if it's breaking out or not. I'm curious to see what AI does about this. So AI says this is not a breakout. This will go back down. So this is a true resistance level right here. And here, I do think it's pretty accurate. So actually, might be doing a breakout right here. So now it's about a 2 out of 4 win rate. So it's back down 50%. So let's go to a different one right here. Let's go to Euro slash Japanese yen. Okay, and this one's pretty interesting. So let's see what AI thinks about this one. We'll go up within the next 15 seconds. That is not a good start to that trade right here. Since this is a very short-term scalp, so it went down straight after. Let's see how this plays out. So, okay, it's going down. I don't think this will actually win. So this one lost. I'm curious to see what AI thinks about it now. So now it says it'll go down again. Let's see if it's true. Okay, so it might be going down a little bit. Let's see. Okay, now it's going back up. And we made another loss there. So far, the AI has actually not been super profitable, which is very interesting to see. So maybe it's the asset I'm choosing. Maybe it's just a very bad timing for the AI here. Let's see if it can make a comeback. So here, let's see what AI thinks about this one. Go down in the next 4 seconds. I don't think that's accurate. So it doesn't look to be super accurate. So we started out of around $17 right here. So now we're at about 14. So that's not a good start to the session. Let's go in here again, see what this thinks about this trade. So the super trend indicator here says it's a buy. I do have a small theory about these trades here. So I have a theory that the short-term trades are not super accurate, but the longer-term trades, let's say 15 to 30 seconds, are more accurate, like 2/3 accurate versus 50/50 for the 5-second trades. Because especially for very volatile assets, it's very hard to determine what will actually go up or down within the next 5 seconds, because that's just a very impossible task to do. Even me as an experienced trader, it's sometimes very hard for me to do these 5-second trades. And my win rate with 5-second trades is even like 55% maybe. So that's with all of my experience. With AI, it's probably about 50%. So longer term trades, I think is going to be better. I'm not sure because the AI trading typically chooses the time for you. So let's do this again. Maybe I'll do another 30-second trade. Let's see. So now it says it'll go down within the next 30 seconds. Let's test the hypothesis out. Is longer term trades actually going to be more accurate or not. So right here, it's going back up. Now it's going back down. It's very volatile, this currency right here. Okay. Now we have about 10 more seconds left. Let's see how this plays out. So we actually traded right at the bottom right here. So this one is actually a loss. So it did not profit there. I was very close to a profit. So I can see why I thought it was going down. It just needed a few more seconds to do that trade. All right. So overall, I would say the Pocket Options AI is fairly legit, but its accuracy is a little bit questionable. Let's do a few more trades here with currencies. Or at least it's a little bit questionable, at least for the currencies here. It might be more accurate for the stocks, which I'll be diving into in the next video. All right, so I don't think this is accurate. Seems to be going down. Okay. Let's do one more with Euro/Japanese yen. See if this is accurate. If this is not, we'll probably have to cut our loss at this point right here. Okay, sure enough, it was profitable. So we're still going to continue trading a little bit. All right. And very volatile right here. Curious to see how this will shape out. So I think this is accurate. From what I see, when it goes down this far, it typically speaking goes up within the next 30 seconds to 1 minute. So I do think it is accurate for this one right here. All right. Actually, it seems to be plowing right down. So both me and AI seem to be wrong, so I don't think this will profit. And we're going to cut the loss here. So it seems for currencies, at least at this time frame right here, it is not super accurate. I would say it's around a 45% accuracy for currencies. So in the next video, watch the next video to see how accurate it is for stocks. And by the way, I actually started on this fresh account with about 12 bucks. And I didn't actually start with $12. I got a bonus from becoin.net. So becoin.net is a great website. So all you have to do on becoin.net is sign up with Pocket Option here. So you can do trades yourself. You can do it with AI trading if you want. And you can also see plenty of highly accurate forecasts for many different things here, from currencies to gold to Ethereum, many different things. It's highly accurate for both swing traders and day traders. So go to becoin.net, sign up with Pocket Option, and happy trading.